Hey guys, welcome back to the 5-Hour Show. I'm your host Raymond, and today we're doing a car restoration, diecast car. Okay, so what you see here is a vintage diecast no-name brand car. Okay, the model of the car seems to be reminiscent of something of a Ferrari, a Lotus, something European. Okay, if you guys have any idea what this is, please leave a comment down below. Okay, so as you can see, that's a very strange looking model. Okay, now again, the thing with this car is that it is a no-name brand. It isn't a Yatming or a Zilmax or, Matchbox Hot Wheel or Tomica. Okay, it is a no-name brand. And so here at the bottom of the base, I'll show you that all it has right here is a D85 made in China, and that's it. Okay, now the base has this texture on it, which is really reminiscent of the 80s per se. Okay, it's got the really cheap chintzy wheels here, and it's all held in by this one mushroom, the one rivet. Okay, so that's today's project. One more thing that I wanted to point out was that whoever owned this car at a time had actually wrote his name on it. And see, here you have the hiragana, a Japanese character, hiragana for re, a or a o, re, o, and an n. Okay, so Rion or Rayon, something like that. Leon, Rayon. Okay, so it's kind of hard to make out because it's smudged, but that's Japanese. So that means that this kid owned this car sometime in the early 90s, late 80s, mid 80s, I don't know. Okay, and so I found this a while ago. I picked it up. I thought it was, cool looking body. Okay, so we're gonna just do a simple restoration, and we are going to change those wheels. Those wheels are horrendous looking. Plus, they're somewhat too small, so it makes the car look like a tram or a go-kart or something. Those wheel wells are just empty. Look at that. Okay, so anyway, let's get started. there it is, guys. Our die-cast Hong Kong mystery car. Completely restored. Now, of course, it was just a simple restoration job, and the wheels do make it look really cool. It rolls real nice. I had to tweak a little bit of the wheel to make it move, but they sort of move side to side. But other than that, it's really nice. Okay, so it turned out real nice. It looks really cool, but I am still left with the curiosity of not knowing what kind of car this is. So I'm assuming it's a Lotus because it has that shape, but I don't know. If any of you guys know what this car is, please leave a comment down below. And with that, I'd like to ask you to please consider subscribing to the show. You know, share, like, leave a comment. Let me know what's going on with this car. What is this car? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the show. I'd like to thank you for coming and watching the 5-hour show. Take care, and God bless you all. See you guys next time.